Hello guys, my name is Guinaga, and today I'm going to be showing you how to work drawing for children. Drawing for children is basically kind of like your paint that your main menu on your computer has. And what it is a white canvas, and it'll allow you guys to use your imagination and create any type of drawings that you guys want. In this case, for this project, you will be drawing one of the cycles that we've spoken in classroom, and these are your tools that you have here to use. Alright, I'm just going to show you how to use a couple of them, and then you guys can create whatever it is that you want. Just make sure that you guys talk about the cycle that you chose and the different changes that that particular cycle takes. Alright, so sketch lines is going to be our first tool. And I want you to look right here. This is your color palette, okay? And these are some of the tools that you have. And you see these two little hands right here? That just tells you that you have more options. So if you click on one of them, it'll give you a couple more options. If you continue to click, it'll give you some more. And then if you continue to click, it gives you a couple more until the end. Alright? And you know that that's the end because it only gives you 3, and usually there's 8 options that you guys to choose. So then if you click on next, it'll take you to the very beginning. Alright? The next one is going to be our drawing shapes, which contains all of your different shapes. And again, right here, you have your color palette. And remember, whatever shape it is that you choose, make sure you change your color because it'll give you whatever last option or whatever last color that you use. So right now, I'm just going to create a little circle. And it's going to be right here, just so I can show you guys how this works. Okay, so if I'm dragging it and I don't let go, it'll allow me to make it as wide, as big, or as small as I want. Okay, once I let go, it's done. That's it. Okay, my font contains just this font, my underline, and my different options of fonts. But that's it. Now remember, when you're gonna write something, make sure that you change your color, alright? Because otherwise it'll use the previous color. Like in this case I use blue, it would be the color blue. Alright? So let's go ahead and go back to my sketch lines, and let's go ahead and see a couple of them. Okay? Let's use the bubbles. Okay? The bubble effect, you have to, let's go ahead and use that light blue. And what you do is you right click, and then you're gonna drag it without letting it go. Right? And if you drag it and you don't let go, then it'll give you the bubbles wherever you're dragging it. Alright, such as this. Alright? And the same thing for this. This looks kind of like rain. I'm gonna go ahead and change it. And if I just use it right there and I let go of it, then that's it. It just stays right there. If I if I right click it and I drag it all across my canvas, then it'll continuously give me the same effect, just like the bubbles did. Okay, now this right here looks kind of like grass, so let's go to our palette and change. And again, if I just click on it once like that, it'll give me one little grass kind of thing right there. Okay, now if I click on it and drag it, it'll continuously give it the same grass motion right here. You see that? Okay, and this is my kind of like stuff like that. You see now, what you can do is you can drag this and go as fast or as slow as you want, and you get that effect. Okay. And so that's pretty much for this one. Those are the ones that I like, but you can continue and explore whichever items you want. In this case, okay, the flower. See, I click on it and I drag it, and it gives me that effect, kind of like a corn effect. All right, now I let go, and that's it. Click it once, gives me one flower. Click it once, gives me one flower. If I drag it, then it gives me that effect. All right, go to this one real quick. And same thing here. Now notice I did not change my colors, it'll stay yellow. Alright? So go ahead, have fun with it, and create whatever colors you want and continue to explore all these options that you have here and have fun. And remember, choose one of the cycles that we talked about in school. Go ahead and email it to me or go to our Weebly website and email it there. Alright guys, you have fun and continue to explore all these different items. I'll see you in class.